I'm sure you will love this puff pastry pizza. Start off with Philadelphia cheese of your choice, mortadella, and there's cooked ham, prosciutto cotto. This is pickled eggplants, provolone cheese, sliced zucchini, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, and fresh mozzarella, and your puff pastry. Start off spreading your cream cheese. You can use any type of cream cheese flavor. This one is with the jalapeno. You can use any one of your choice. And I used a spoon, the back of a spoon, to spread it. It's much easier to do it that way. That's my tip. And then add your mortadella throughout the dough. And then you can also add your prosciutto. This is prosciutto cotto, which is cooked ham. And don't use the prosciutto crudo. It will be too much salty. It will just ruin your recipe. The eggplant pickle. Now, I just had a bit, so I wanted to use them, but I'm sure it was going to be a good combination with the ingredients that I had. Just be creative with what you have in the fridge sometimes. Then add your provolone. Provolone is a cheese that in the Italian cuisine is used quite often. It's a very, very good cheese. Then add your zucchini. The zucchini are cut very thin, so because you're going to put them in the oven and you want to make sure that they're cooked well. And I slice them quite thin. And I put them throughout all around the pizza. And then add some oregano. Spread it out nicely. Oregano is always good to add to our dishes, especially the Italians add that. And then add your seeds. I mean, they could be optional. If you are not a seed lover, don't put them. I wanted to try it with this combination of ingredients because I wanted to taste the nuttiness of the seeds. But it's definitely optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want to. I put then the mozzarella, the fresh mozzarella. It's very different than the regular mozzarella. It has a little bit more milk in it. It's more softer. And I only had one. And then I put the pizza in a spring pan because there was enough ingredients there that I wanted it all to be kept in. And I put it in the oven at 200 Celsius. And I think I did 30 to 35 minutes. And when it came out, it looked beautiful. And as it looked beautiful, it tasted fabulous. And the smell was, the aroma was amazing. And so the combination of the mortadella, the prosciutto, your zucchini, the nuts was so good. I had half of that puff pastry pizza. I'm telling you, it was so good. So I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Mama V. And I hope that you will comment and like and share this recipe. And I want to thank you for watching my channel.